Great tips and tricks for a home business. Throughout your life, you will have ample opportunity to really do something special and stake your claim. Whether or not you decide to take advantage of the opportunities out there, is up to you. But if you want to start making something better for yourself, you should check out these home business tips and use them to build a solid career. What else can you do if your business fails? This backup plan will help in the event that something goes wrong, for example a shipment not arriving on time or your site crashing. This will leave you with income at all times, even in the worst case scenario. Determination and a proactive outlook are required for operating a home business successfully. If you have the land, consider building an office space on your property. This is beneficial in the sense that you will not have customers entering your personal space and the local government may have stipulations requiring it. This will also create breathing space between your home and professional life. When you first start your business, send out an email or post about it to family and friends. You can get a few customers and let them know what you are doing. Provide them with some incentive for bringing you referrals, such as a finder's fee. Encourage them to tell friends about your business. This type of advertising is not costly and very beneficial. Keep a mileage log for your business driving. With a home business, you might find yourself driving to meet clients or suppliers, delivering orders or traveling to boutiques and trade shows. The IRS allows a write-off for business mileage, at about 34 cents per mile. That adds up. Check IRS.gov for the current year mileage allowance. A great strategy for any business is to claim all available tax credits and deductions that the business is eligible for. If you claim all the tax deductions you can, your tax bill will be a lot lower. If, despite your best efforts, your company is not successful, this doesn't mean you should give up on the idea of a home business. Cut your losses with your current business, reanalyze your personal budget, and look at other opportunities on the market. Very few first businesses are completely successful. Making a better life for you and the people you love, should be a top priority of anyone out there. A home business can help you to do just that, but it isn't something you can do without any help at all. Make sure that you use this advice to help build your overall business plan. Here's to your continued success in business. Student loan.